Can you solve this SAT-style math problem? Let's go through it step by step. But before we begin, let's first understand the concept. In math, a function takes an input, does something to it, and gives us an output. For example, if you're given the function x plus 3, let's try using some inputs to test the outputs. If x equals 1, replace x with 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Our output is 4. If x equals 2, replace x with 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Our output is 5. If x equals 15, plug in 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. The output is 18. And if x equals 100, then 100 plus 3 is 103. So the output is 103. Now, functions are often written using the symbol f of x. This simply means a function of x. So when you see something like f of 2, it means replace every x in the function with 2. Today's question says, what is the value of f of x when x is negative 6? The function is x squared minus 5 times x plus 6. To solve this, we'll replace x with negative 6 in the function. Then work through the math step by step to find the answer.